Hey creators, Happy New Year! I'm super excited because I got a Cricut. You get a t-shirt! You get a t-shirt! You get a t-shirt! Everybody is getting custom anything that I can make with this Cricut. I'm so excited. Hold on. So this year for the holidays, we did 2 gifts per person. Last year we did acts of service, so we didn't do any gifts. We just pulled from a hat and we had to perform acts of service for our family members. Very cute. However, that's not my love language. So I wasn't really into all that. It was just, work. Me personally, I'll be honest, I like gifts. They make me feel special. They can be from the Dollar Tree. They can be handmade, but I prefer to receive something. And I love to give to my family. I love to spend money. I love the whole process of picking things out for my family, for the most part. Anyway, so this year I asked for a Cricut Explore, and even though we were doing the two gifts per person rule, I just told my family that this is something I really wanted, so I was fine with them coming together and putting their money together to pay for this for me, and this be one of my only gifts. God is good because it wasn't my only gift. We bless God. I'm super excited. I sent them a link to the Cricut Explore 3 from Michael's. It was a bundle or something like that, and it was on sale for Thanksgiving. Oh, Black Friday, duh. So it was on sale for Black Friday, and it still is on sale. I think I'll put it in the description box below. If it's not on sale, I will also find the same version of what I have on Amazon, and you can use that link as well. And I'm talking too much, so let's just get into it. So it came with this box as well as this beautiful thing here. Thumbnail! Okay, so it came with this box and this box, but we're gonna do the smaller box first. I got my Cricut supplies. You know what that means? Trip to Dollar Tree. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm one of those people who like organizing things. I like to buy containers. I've never been in a container store, but it's because I know that I would just go off in there. You know how Marshall's has credit cards and things like that? If the container store had credit card, I would be no good. Anyway, let's continue. Wow! I didn't know it was gonna come with this. I've been wanting like some form of paper cutter for a while, and so this is just like right on time. Wow. I'm gonna say, like most creators, as you continue to sew and create, you start to see things in lines, and you can definitely tell when something is not straight. And so I'm super excited about doing this because everything's going to be perfectly straight now. And then it came with some iron-on, everyday iron-on. This is transfer tape. I've been doing my research. I've been watching videos on people using their Cricut and how to use it because I am new. I should have said this in the beginning. I've never had a Cricut before. I didn't even know what a Cricut was, really. I thought it was a printer that also cut. But I realize now it's just a cutter. Anyway, this is my first time, so we're opening up this thing together. Okay. And premium vinyl. Lies flat. Easy to weed and apply. Remove without residue. Oh, removes. Premium vinyl. Lies flat. Easy to weed and apply. Removes without residue. Okay. It's more than one color in here. It's black, white, and red. What's in here? Is it black, writing red. Oh, shut up. Okay. Exacto knife. Okay. This is called a true control knife. Let me be correct. I had one. Where it's at, I don't know. So I'm glad that this was in here. And then, of course, a cutting mat. A cutting mat. A cutting mat. A cutting mat. 3! Aha! There's 3 in here. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. We bless God. We bless him. Okay. Now that has been taken care of, it is the moment. It is time. My Cricut. Okay. Also, it's no, you don't use your sewing scissors on regular things. Oh. All right. Now we're cooking with gas. So excited. My gosh. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, so how are we gonna I'm gonna do this? Ooh. Ah. Oh. Wow. Wow. And I have the perfect spot for it. Okay. Okay. Do you see that? Can you see it? You were born creative. Amen! Yes, I was. Okay, I think this is more vinyl and transfer tape. Oh, this is sticker cardstock. Smart paper. Okay. Oh, a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Okay. Oh, it's like a little smart. Wow. I can put my supplies right in here. All right. Woo! Honey! All right, let's look at a few more things because the box was not empty. Okay, so I have this. Came in the box as well. And this. So let's see. Let's read the letter together. Let's get started. Activate your machine. It gives you the website. Oh, I'm not I don't know if you can see that, but it's in different languages. I'm not understanding this. Well, I understood empecemos, but duh, that makes sense. And then it has smart vinyl, the warranty statement, and important safety instructions. Okay, so thank you for joining me in opening up my Cricut Explore 3. I'm super excited to use it, and I'm even more excited to put some new products on my website because I have so many ideas. And I also have some ideas for new giveaways. We're going to get back to the Valentine's Day giveaway, and the box is going to be amazing. Yes, I said box. So I'm really excited about that, to get into that. I'm also really excited because it's a new year, and most people say new year, new me. I'm saying new year, same me. Last year, I really discovered some new creative parts of myself, and I like her. So we're bringing her into 2025, okay? And on that note, remember to be creatively you.